Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw in our title, we will be unboxing our Allure Beauty Box, and this one is for the month of May. For those of you who are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, I will leave all the information down below as well as a coupon code so that you can get some money off on your first box. Okay, so when we open up our box, it says, "We know beauty best." And of course, this one has a mini mag in it. This is a description of everything that is in the box, plus all the details on how to use these items, coupon codes, and things like that. Okay, so for the month of May, it of course says Happy Mother's Day. And to all of the mothers out here in Season Beauties land, Happy Mother's Day, okay? From us, me, to you, okay? Especially my own, all right? So, let's see. It says, as the weather warms up, I'm looking forward to slowing down. And while I'm busy dreaming about summer vacation mode, my beauty products are ramping up to ready me for the season ahead. All right, now it says this is from Elizabeth, and she is the Deputy Beauty Director. So let's just jump in and see what items are in the box. All right, so the first one we have is, I love this brand. I'm very, very fond of this brand. It says this is the Elements Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. All right, and it says this just might be the perfect under eye moisturizer thanks to its creamy yet lightweight texture and namesake peptides. The hydrating formula sinks right in while the peptides, short chains of amino acids, go to work for a treatment that helps with dark circles, lines around the eyes, and puffiness. All right. Now, the retail price for a 15 milliliter size is $50. However, this one is that size. Okay, so this one is an actual full size product. Okay, so this right here is double the value of what we pay for the box, and this is just the first product. Okay, this of course is the outside packaging, and as it stated, it is a 15 milliliter or zero point 0.5 US fluid ounces, and it has a shelf life of 12 months. Okay, so let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. All right, and this is it right here. What do you think? All right, for those of you who are not familiar with it, this is actually, even though they call it Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream, it says that it's for tired, overworked eyes. Okay, and it revives, brightens, and hydrates. Okay, so there we go. This one is the first item in this box. Now, all right, so it does give us information to let us know exactly how to use this item. Okay, so moving right along, let's see. The next item that we have is this one right here. This is the Chris Appleton Plus Color Wow Money Mask, okay? And it says this innovative hair mask was made in collaboration with hairstylist Chris Appleton, who is known for creating his super shiny signature glass hair, okay? Now it says he's done it for celebrities such as J-Lo, Kim Kardashian, and Ariana Grande. This mask was dreamed up to deliver the same level of glossy shine at home, and it does not disappoint. Okay, now it says the manufacturer's retail price for a full-size product, because this one is a deluxe sample, is $45, and that would be 215 milliliters. This one is a 50 milliliter size, so we're looking at 4 times the size of this one for that price. Roughly 4 times the size. Okay, now this one would need to be purchased. Well, if you purchase it through the website colorwildhair.com, you can get 15% off using the coupon that is inside of this month's magazine. Okay, now it says it has a 12-month shelf life, and it says it is a mask, and it gives you super glossy, expensive looking hair. Okay, we're here for that. And it does leave you the directions. I'm interested in this. I want to see if it does anything for my hair. Actually, before I try that, y'all know I have so many hair products from my curl box days. Okay, so let's keep moving. The next item that we have is this one right here, and this is by Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. Okay, so you can use it for your lips or as a subtle blush, okay? Or not so subtle blush. It depends on how heavy-handed you might be. Okay, and it says, glowing as heck. This tint provides a wash of color that perks up complexions in a way that looks totally natural, like you've just taken a quick stroll on a beautiful day rather than spent the last few hours answering emails. Okay, I'm just saying. So the retail price for this one, because it says this one is a 13 milliliter size, is $29. Now, there is a promo code. If you decide you want to purchase it, you would just need to go onto their website to get it. All right. So this one is the outside packaging. Let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and it's this one right here. We might just open this one with a 12-month shelf life. So we might just open it so we can check and see what this tint is actually like. All right. All right, so this one is item number 3, and let's keep going. The next one we are very familiar with on this channel, and I know that this one is not a full-size product. This is definitely a deluxe sample because, as I stated, we have received it before. This one is the Mud Masky Midnight Hand Mask. Okay, and it says this may be called a hand mask, and it certainly lives up to the hydrating promise, but that doesn't mean the formula is too heavy to wear during the day. In fact, it smells so good with a subtle scent that reminds us of a field of lavender that you'll want to keep applying it after you wake up. Okay, I like. Now, if we were to get the full-size product, it would be $55, and that would be a 40 milliliter size. But this one right here has a 6-month shelf life. So what I'm thinking is I may just start using this one so I can see the benefits on my own hands. And y'all will be able to see as well, because when I record, I'm always showing you a product, so you'll be able to kind of judge it as well. So I think that's what we're going to do. So we'll be opening this one so we can see what that one actually smells like and applying some as well. All right, that one is item number 4. And we're moving right along. The next item that we have is this one right here. And this one is Nutra Ecos Tucumai. And this, I hope I said that right. I hope I did not butcher that name. Okay, and it says this one is an exfoliating shower gel. And it says, just in time for warmer weather, this gentle exfoliating body wash makes legs and arms soft and smooth while you cleanse. An easy and rewarding way to multitask. Okay, now it says this one is a 30 milliliter size, which is a sample, but if you were to purchase the full size, which is 185 milliliters, 6 times the size of this, it would be $18. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, but if you were to purchase it off of the website, we do have a code to get 15% off. Okay. Oh, it says it's a vegan product, 97% natural origin. And let's see what kind of shelf life. Well, it doesn't really show one here, but I will say, being that it is a shower gel, it probably would not be around very long. We are vegan. Our products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying this one as well. All right, so let's see. We have one more. One more. Okay, this one is a fragrance. This one is Poets of Berlin. And it says this perfume proves vanilla doesn't have to be so vanilla. The scent has all the warmth and comfort of a vanilla fragrance for sure, but with a simply crisp, sweet kick from lemon and blueberry. Orris and sandalwood keep the overall effect grounded, not pastry-like. Okay, so I'm gathering that kind of is saying it smells amazing, but not like food, possibly. But we'll check it out in a minute. If you were to get the full size, which would be 50 milliliters, it would be $175. But this one is the 5 milliliter size. Okay, so you're talking about one that's 10 times the size of this one, which I'll show you in just a moment. Okay, and if you were to purchase it off of their website, you would get 10% off on your first purchase. Okay, so let's just see what the product itself looks like. Okay, here we go. All right, so I gave you all the details, and since this is the last item out of the box, although they do put some advertisements in here, we're going to go ahead and check this out. But this says there is a GQ box for next month, and it says give the gift of GQ box to dads and grads. All right, and it has a code where if you want to try that out, you can. Then there is a coupon for HelloFresh. All right, and of course another wine voucher. All right, so let's just check out this perfume. Okay. All right, we'll let it dry down and we'll go ahead and I probably should not have done that, but I'll check out this on the other hand. Okay, and okay, we're going to try this out on the other hand, and we're going to check out this tint. Now, I want you to know, I'm looking at this. I was just holding it up so I could show to you, but this is an absolutely full tube. It's all the way to this orange line here. Can you see that? Not bad. Okay, this is a little strong for me. I'm just going to let it keep drying down because I'm telling you it's a little strong right now. Okay, so I'm going to open the Mud Masky, and yes, it does come completely sealed, but we're going to be trying this until this tube is empty. So this one will be what's in my purse. I can't believe I'm going to take my Dove out of my purse, but just for a little while. That's the texture of it. I'm not putting on a lot right now, but this smells nice. This absolutely smells nice. So because I have the parfum on this hand, I put the Mud Masky on this one. Oh, I mean, my hands are super smooth and soft already, and I didn't even put a lot on. Yeah, this is going to be welcomed in my purse. Absolutely. It does smell very nice. It's not overpowering or anything like that. and it feels amazing. And because I'll wash my hands so much throughout the day, I think I'm looking forward to this. So the other item we're going to check out, because it has such a nice shelf life on it. This one was sealed as well. This is the tint. Ooh. So I don't know if you could see that dot. Let's not be stingy here. So on, let's see. What do you think? It's a tint, all right. It's beautiful. I think I'd like it also as a lippy. I'm going to be putting this one away for a little bit. Actually, I say that, but Sidekick makes her way down here, so that may end up in hers. But I do have that palette now that has all of, well, I'm going to say I do have the palette now that has an assortment of shades of lip glosses in it. It's very, very pretty. I'll link the other video up here so you can take a look at it if you'd like. Okay, so what do you think of this month's Allure Beauty Box? I have to tell you, they came back strong as far as I'm concerned. If for nothing else, the fact that I saved and doubled with just one product that doesn't include anything else, that's a full size. This one was a full size. Let me check again what the price on that one was. That one was $29. So just those two products alone, we've done 3 times what the box is. That doesn't include the value of the deluxe sample here or here, okay? And the perfume. Okay, it's not too bad. I have to get hubby to smell it when he wakes up and see what his thoughts are, since he's the one that's going to smell it. But nonetheless, let me know your thoughts down below, okay? I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. Once again, shouting out mothers. Happy Mother's Day to you all. If this one goes up after Mother's Day, happy belated Mother's Day. You are worthy year around, okay? Now, these are the items that were included down below. Is the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for the full-size items that were inside the box, okay? Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And while you're leaving me a little message, why don't you share this video with someone else? Maybe it's something in here that you know they would like. Give them a chance to check it out and see if they would like to become a part of it as well. Don't forget that there is a link down below which will give you a code so you can get money off on your first box, okay? Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.